Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will be discussing how to transfer XRP to your Trezor account. Now this is very simple and quick process. Let's dive right in. So first things first, if you already own Bitcoin or other crypto, then you need to skip the step where you need to first purchase Bitcoin. So if you already have, go to the desired account and click on receive in the account menu bar. Once you've done that, go ahead and you will see an option which says show full address. Click that option and then you'll be provided with an address to your, and then clip that to your clipboard or use the QR code itself for the exchange. Now you can paste the withdrawal address or scan the QR code as needed when withdrawing your funds from the online exchange. And keep in mind, most online exchanges document the withdrawal process in detail, and we recommend consulting their manuals. Now, if you don't own any crypto or Bitcoin, simply purchase some first, and then you can go ahead and proceed with the steps that I previously mentioned. It's as simple as that. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.